In this video, I'll show you how to schedule an email in Gmail. Now go to your Gmail, go to Compose and click on it. Now input the recipient, put in the subject. Now type in the body of the letter. Now go to this point where you will see send, click the more arrow, you'll see schedule send. Now this dialog box of schedule send comes out. You choose from either of this. Either you can choose tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, Monday morning, or you can pick a date and time by clicking on it. Now the date and time dialog box comes out. You'll see the date there. Choose any date of your choice. We can choose 20. You'll see that in that box it changes. And you can change the time here. Let's make this 8 p.m. Once you're done inserting the date and time of your choice, go ahead and click on Schedule Send. And that's it. Please consider liking the video, sharing and subscribing if you haven't already done so. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.